30DYC, a yoga training system to create real and lasting results.
Hi, it's me, Dashama, and welcome to Yoga Empowerment Practice. And 90 degrees at the right knee as you lengthen the spine. Option 1, Fire Mudra. Arms are reaching up. Option 2, Mushti Mudra. Inhale, left leg up. Down dog splits on this side, so the left leg is rising to the sky, right heel rooting into the earth. Palms are rooting down, root down through the right heel. Deep cleansing breath. Last one here, and then left foot steps forward between the hands. Right heel goes flat. Inhale, warrior one on this side. Left knee 90 degrees, breaking through the barriers as you press your heart forward, looking up. Drishti is up. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha.